Good morning.
Good afternoon, Sunil. It's 2:19 p.m.
We decorated it. It took us 3 days to do the shirt. No, it took us 4 days. Oh, no! Open the door. Oh, wow, that's convenient.
It's a nice parcel. Oh.
Oh, wow. How smooth. Packaging is so nice. Yeah, it is. You guys should definitely buy one of these. Again. Woohoo! I'm gonna open this. Whoa! Oh,
Wow.
it's so big and heavy. Hey Google.
No, it needs to turn on.
While I do my stuff, I'm good at these. Cause I'm good at downloading stuff.
Okay.
Next page.
Yeah.
Hey Google. What are you doing? Hey Google! Hey Google.
This device isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Do next. Hey Google, what do you do next?
This device isn't set up yet. To get started,
She's saying the
download
same
the
thing,
Google Home
Mia. You
app
need
on
to
a
do
phone
it
or
right.
tablet.
You get
So
set
we
up.
will get the Google Home app on our...
Wait. What?
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch. Sunday goes smoothly.
Google Music, please.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
What?
Never met your ass. Sometimes it be like that.
Oh my god, there's so many swear words in that. It even said
Not
ass.
afraid
Oh
to
my
leave you
god.
down. Sometimes.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, Sunil. It's 2:19 p.m. Right now in Bray it's 9 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, there will be showers, with a forecast high of 9 and a low of 6. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news. DW News Brief, at 11 a.m. today.